We are going to see my drawings arts today. Where's this one? I really wanted when I was 8 years old. Yep, I know this. Did I really just draw myself? Oh, he in the hood? What the hell is... What did I do to Brandy? Even I drew Flutter's father. I became... What did I draw? I tried to make myself more FPE in your face. That's Maricar thing that he just did. I do not want you to say this, but because I got no answer for that. FPE. Maricar told me to make her father, but ignore that. This or but that I did myself. Okay, this bird's kind of cute. And is it me or am I making something? That's my puzzle also. Urza's in mine. That's Urza's in this one. I don't know. That... Yeah, mine is good, but yeah, that's Urza's. This one? Nothing. Got no ideas. I like Indonesia. I don't know. Philippines, Indonesia. I think that's Poland or Indonesia. Some of it try to tell. Yeah, I like her. I just forgot an arm. Yep. Too bad. Girl. I got no ideas what to do on this one. Last time I tried to draw Astro. Wow, my little legs! What the hell is this? I don't know. That's all her hearts of Jesus. Bobet. That's Gabriel's drawing. That's mine. Sorry about that. I became.
Ay, kakabalik ko lang.
I don't know this.
Kakabalik ko lang.
That's good.
Nagluto ako seafood. Not noodles.
How did I keep?
Eh, gusto ko magpastil tayo nila Jane dyan. Gusto ko magpastil tayo nila
Let's just
Jane.
skip.
Gusto ko tayo
I just
magpastil
do
tayo.
this drawings. There's one to be out. There's one.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday.
My phone is open, but this is Ursa. Not talking about that's Ursa's. Wow, sharp legs. Nice.
Be, buhay kayong lahat.
She
Tapos di niyo
said
ako
to me that
minimension.
I'm
Di ko
kid
tuloy
of this
nakita.
is.
Left out na ako nito.
Yeah, I like the eye so much. Don't talk about this. Yeah, I don't know about this part. It's mine. Croissant. Oh. Okay. Try to make that story. Ginger.
Ha?
Upside down that I forgot.
Ano namang bigos na nga kayo, di ba pinagpapalit mo na kayo sa kanya? Oo, yung kapal. Alata na, mamamaya kayo naman magbabon. Photo.
Yep. Ignore.
Ayun, make sure.
I'm not drawing it.
Hindi, alam namin pipiliin. Alam namin pipiliin.
Yep. Why did I just... That's good. Why did I throw that?
Favorite mo na nga ngayon si Benedict.
Oy, nang-balance lang yung kung iba dito.
Isali mo kaya dito si
Am I okay or what?
Janela, tapos andang dito sa cold
Okay.
na, di ba?
Nothing about this.
Oo.
Ikaw naman ka.
Una lang susulat ako.
Sana sumagot ka. Andang.
On to the next. Yep, they said it right. Oh, that's nice.
Dalawa account ni andang, di ba?
Yep. I used to draw this. That's
Baliwang puta.
yep. Yep, I did good from this.
Nag-load si Janino.
Yep, that's good. Mm-hmm.
Oh.
There's something wrong with this too.
Hindi nga nag-join yung tatlo.
What
Mamaya,
about that?
hintay lang tayo.
I had nothing for that. And I tried to draw eyes. My fun was some is this. Ignore this. Yep, go to your board. Time to go on next again.
Ano ba sunod mo, te?
This video.
Ay, wala yung binig,
Huh?
together ni Jonathan.
Leah is not. Hey. This week.
Go, hinahan mo to. Ito.
try it.
Ay, hindi ko hinahayan.
Did my best. I don't know what's this.
Hindi naman wala yung nag-ipas.
This good?
Yung pogi naman ni Jay. Pero babe, pick up coffee.
Libre mo?
Wala kasi pick up coffee sa lapit sa school eh.
Tangik meron.
No answers. Okay.
Doon bot.
There's no time left.
Dapat na ng MPT.
Yeah, that's all.